Eureka online, where you have opportunity to learn all your subjects and your courses at ease. And this time, I'm going to be switching to another subject or course, which is chemistry. And in chemistry, we have different branches. We have the analytical chemistry, we have the inorganic chemistry, we have the physical chemistry, we have the organic chemistry. So, and I'll be taking the organic chemistry this time. So, I'm going to be taking it from the beginning. And we take it from the known to the unknown. Okay? So, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compound. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compound. It's on the board. It's on the board. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compound. Carbon is important because it can catenate. Carbon can catenate. Carbon is important because it can catenate. What do we mean by catenate? Carbon can combine with itself to form